The BJP, which has failed to make any significant mark in the state politics till date, is confident that the party would win around 35 seats in the polls, even as 5 sitting MLAs look all set to join BJP in December. Speaking to media persons after inaugurating a party office in Jail Road, BJP State President Ernest Maury confirmed that 3 sitting MLAs will join the party in the first week of December, while 2 more sitting MLAs are holding discussion with the party. Maury said that they are from TMC and other parties. In North Shillong, there is Ms. M. Kharkrang and Michael Karsantia who are eyeing a ticket from BJP, and it would be interesting to see whom does the party select as its candidate from the constituency.
Very good and fantastic.
Our beloved President, that this office will remain here till after 2023. Doesn't mean that election is completed. We have won the seat and this office will be closed. This office will continue to remain. For the simple reason that the elected member from North Shillong constituency, he will come here and meet the people from this side, and there are sometimes that he will be the other side. I will not expect the people from here to come all the way to the other side to voice your grievances, to meet your MLA. This is going to be a permanent office of the BJP.